Spivey. Hey, Spivey, I'm fixing to do some plumbing. You want to help?
Plumbing? Oh, yeah, that's my favorite thing to do in the whole wide world. I'm all in. Daddy?
What is this, Spivey?
I don't see the PVC glue.
We're not using PVC glue today.
What?
Yeah, we're not using PVC glue today.
You mean you can do plumbing? You can do plumbing without PVC glue?
Yes, Spivey, plumbers do it all the time.
You can do plumbing without PVC glue?
Yes, Spivey.
Well, can we use a little bit anyway?
No, we can't use a little bit anyway. That would be silly.
Just a few drops maybe?
No, not even a few drops.
No PVC glue?
Nope, not today.
I'm out of here.